The Family Handyman 11% series turns the spotlight on the 11% of women currently working in the trades. Here, electrical apprentice Maggie Rogosienski shares a story about building confidence alongside experienced journeymen.
I just remember getting done, it was actually 2 weeks ago. I was we had to rebuild this welder station, and my journeyman, who typically loves to tell me I'm too slow, of course, whatever. I'm learning. The first time I'm not supposed to be the fastest, right? Says the guy who's in 25 years later. It's like, anyway, I remember though, at the end of the day, we got done and we were busting our butts to get this job done. And it's a greasy, oily, and loud. And I was loving it. I don't know what it is, but I love those environments. And we just hammered out this job. And at the end of the day, he was like, hey, you did really good today. I mean, you contributed to how to design this station, because it was all just, how do we want to build this for them? And I mean, I'm definitely seeing, I've definitely been, told that I'm growing in the fact that I am calling up the wholesale houses, and I have confidence on the phone, where before I'd be like, there's a million things, I don't know what I'm talking about. And he was like, you kept pace with me. And that's the biggest thing, right? Because if I'm always slow and now I've kept pace with my journeyman, it's like, wow, okay, that was pretty dang exciting. And yet I don't go for the added girls. I don't look for them. That was a hard one to not, like, how am I doing pulling string?